Yes, another season for palm oil has come. Palm oil as an investment package is just the best opportunity for any entrepreneur that want to make huge success with this business. Yes, we were able to train a lot of entrepreneurs this very year, this very season, and they were able to go home with a lot of testimonies, cashing out big, yes, in palm oil business. So we are setting out again for January training on how to source for palm oil, how to store the palm oil, how to also make sales at the right time to also make the sales, how to identify a good palm oil, and also how to use the online marketing strategy to also make good sales if you don't want to explore the offline. And the offline too is a bomb. We are going to give you markets that you can easily walk into and get all your stock mopped off at the right time of selling. It was a testimony filled period for our students, and we are setting out again to train another set of entrepreneurs that are ready to cash out big this year. You can't afford to miss this. January is the time. You need to quickly come on the waiting list for your training. It's a loaded training and you can't afford to miss it. Olayinka Remade is my name. I've been in consumable item business for the past 17 years. My experience in consumable item business gave me the opportunity to have the first-hand information to give you. When I say it is time, you know it is time. And a lot of our students have testimonies towards this. You need to quickly click on the link below to have a view at what we've got for you and also listen to our students' testimony. It's going to wow you. Don't miss out. 50% on investment. Where can you get that from? This is the only platform that can help you achieve that. Palm oil as an investment package. Don't miss it. Come on board right away and be part of this. See you inside.